Hey guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back. I am constantly searching on Etsy and Creative Fabrica, Gumroad, anywhere that people sell their digital designs to see what hot sellers are. And it's amazing. Sometimes the most simple artwork you can possibly think of that is anyone could make is a hot seller. Anytime I see anything that is super simple and it says bestseller, 24 people have this in their cart, in demand, those type of words, then you best believe I'm going to share it. This simple children's artwork is selling like hotcakes. So I'm going to go over here and click create. And when you're selling artwork, you want to make sure that you are selling this in all different sizes, but I'm only going to make one size for the purposes of this video, which is 11 by 14, but you want to make sure you offer this from small sizes all the way up to poster size. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the 11 by 14 that I already have in here and create a new design. Now we need to pick a fictitious name. I'm going to use the name Sophia. Let me make this just a little bit bigger so you can see it. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to add. And we're just going to do one letter. S. Okay, now I'm going to make this bigger and I'm going to also change the font. And then I'm going to bring this down here and make sure that I center. I'm going to go over here and change the font. I'm going to use this one right here, Laura, because I just like the simple serif type font that this is. And I'm going to change the color to something pastel that would look good. And I'm going to pick something neutral. So I'm going to go over here and choose like a mint green, light green. And I think I'm really liking this color right here. Now we're going to go and we need to add another text box. And I'm going to click add a heading and we're actually going to type the name out, Sophia. And I'm going to go ahead and change the font on this as well. And this one we want something script. So I'm going to use this font right here and I'm going to make this bigger. Now all we need to do with this is we're just going to center this name and we're going to change the color. Now I'm going to go up here and now we're going to take this and we're going to make it a darker green. And I think I like this right here. Perfect. And it's that simple. It's when I see things like this and it's something simple like this and it's selling like hotcakes. So now is what we need to do is we're going to put it on a mock-up. So I'm going to go ahead and download this as a PNG. And you can do mock-ups in so many different ways, but I'm going to go ahead and just head over right now to Photopea because this is free. Now, Photopea does not have the best mock-up frame mock-ups for children, but we're going to make it work just for the purposes of the video. So I'm going to click here on templates. And I'm actually going to search for frame. And then I'm just going to scroll down and find one, even though that they just don't have very good ones for children, but it's okay. I'm just going to pick one that they have and use that one. I think I saw one up here a little while ago. I think I'll use this one. And then I'm just going to click on this link right here and show you how to use one of their templates. So over here on the right side in our layers panel, I'm going to go ahead and double click on it. we're going to go up to File. I'm going to click Open and Place. This is very important. You have to use the Open and Place. And I'm going to click on the design we just created. And then I'm going to go over here, File, Save Smart Object. And then when we go out of it and we go back into it, this is how it turned out. And I think that this just turned out amazing. So this is just an idea. You can get as creative as you want with this, or you can also customize this into any different name, or you can even offer to do them custom. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Stay tuned for the next video, and thank you so much for watching.